As you all know, I'm a leftist, further left of the modern left, but I'm pretty hard-ass when it comes to crimes that have a victim. Well, you know what I say? The only good pedophile is a dead pedophile. And I'm going to tell you how one of my islands of the Pogo Islands deals with that problem. What's up, everybody? It's Zach the Celtics guy here, back with another video, second one of the day, and here to talk about more Pogo Islands laws and legal lessons on behalf of me, Zach the Celtics guy, the creator of the Kingdom of the Pogo Islands, country in the Indian Ocean in South Asia that I created a long time ago based on the laws and what the punishments would be for crimes if it was up to me. For a left-winger, some of my laws are pretty severe for heinous offenses. Stuff that you normally would not expect from a leftist. So as I started this video, but anyway, like I said, I can put all of that aside, and I have my views that are notwithstanding my lefty views. So when it comes to punishing criminals for heinous offenses, yeah, I'm pretty fucking hard-ass, and I think that that's something that I don't even think should be a left versus right issue. You know, this is something that I think everybody should, you would think that everybody should agree on. Everybody's free to think what they want, but Jesus, I mean, but this one here, no. This, like I said about pedophiles, the only good one is a dead one, and I agree with that. Or better yet, the only good one is one that is chemically castrated. Because okay, at the bare minimum, the best case scenario, if I don't execute them first or put them in jail the rest of their fucking pathetic, miserable lives, though, if you have to fucking say, oh, we should release these, you know, if you're gonna release these fucks, which I don't even think you should do because I'm opposed to that, I think that any person who sexually abuses any person should have the worst thing coming their way. But when you do it to a child, you deserve the worst painful death humanly fucking possible. You do. You deserve the worst pain, the worst suffering humanly possible. You should be chemically castrated at the bare minimum. And at the maximum, you should die the most painful way possible. But what I believe for this, at the bare minimum, not just chemical castration, but forced chemical castration. You should literally be tied up to a table with prison guards and prison doctors, and they forcibly inject you with chemical castration. You don't get to choose anymore. You do not get to fucking choose what you did after what you did. You don't get to choose what you do or what you did. You don't get to choose anymore. After you fucking harm a child, after you do that, or if you're a rapist or you're a sexual abuser, you do not deserve to have a say in what you, in any kind of discretion. I don't want this treatment. Well, too bad, you're getting it anyway. And I'm going to strap you down to the table and you're going to get fucking forcibly injected with chemical castration that just literally just eradicates your testosterone and just everything. Your complete sex drive, your semen level, everything. You don't get to feel pleasure, nothing. And just do that. Or even, I would say, just fucking mutilate their fucking dick and balls. I mean, like I said, chemical castration, or even do that, or just forcibly inject them. Just put them down on a table. Just put them down on a table and just say that. And if they resist, just do it anyway. Just do it. Just do it. Because once you do that, your choice is out the window. It's out the window. And I don't care. Because once you do that, that's it. You don't get to decide. You do not get to decide what happens to you. You don't get to decide. We get to decide the law. That's what I believe in, and that's what we should do. We should do to fucking pedophiles and what we should do to rapists. That's what we should do. We should chemically castrate the worst sex offenders at best, if not make them die the most painful, horrible way possible at worst. I think the latter I'm leaning more towards that. But I'm talking about the best case scenario. I'm talking about the mandatory minimum. Well, the mandatory minimum on the Azure Island for that is 99 years. And you have to undergo sex offender treatment and chemical castration. And if you do not meet those requirements, you are not to be released from prison. And even if you are under monitoring by the Azure Island Correctional Services for the duration of your natural life, under infinite electronic monitoring, and anything out of line, and I mean anything, after you get released, after you serve a minimum of 30 years of which cannot be suspended. Within the beginning period of 30 years, you cannot be released from prison. But even if you are, that sentence for the rest of your life, you have an ankle bracelet, no privacy, no nothing. Because you don't deserve it. You don't deserve privacy, you don't deserve anything. You don't deserve anything but to suffer. You don't deserve nothing else but humiliation and the worst everything humanly possible. Chemically castrated, your fucking dick cut off. You deserve the worst painful death humanly possible. You do. There's nothing worse. The only thing, there are certain types of people, classes of criminals that I hate in this world more than anything. Pedophiles, rapists, animal abusers, and domestic abusers. And people who just abuse people in general. But pedos, no. Fucking kill them. That's what I would say. If like I said, if I was an executioner and if I talked to the families of the victim or the parents of that victim and they said kill him, I'd be pressing that button, dude. I'd be pressing that button. And not only that, I would keep it going. I would keep it going. Like I would press that button slowly. And I'd be doing it real slow. And make sure that they suffer the same way and the same pain that they caused to their victim. No, my sympathy is with the victim and their family, and with the rule of law, not with the criminal. Because I know there's a lot of people on the left, and again, I'm not with those people. Again, I stick out as someone who's on the left. I stick out as someone who is further to the left. But I believe that pedophiles and rapists deserve to die the worst painful death humanly possible. And if they do live, they deserve to suffer in the worst way possible. Forcibly chemically castrate them. Fucking remove their genitals. Fucking just cut their dick off. Remove their genitals, cut their dick off. That's what they should do. They're no good. Pedophiles and rapists they're just no fucking good. And the only good one is a dead one. Or at the very least, a suffering one, who's suffering in the worst way possible. Every island of the Pogo Islands is different, but this is the Azure Island that I'm talking about here. And that statute that I have written in my Google Docs, I will link in the description. And that's my legal lesson, episode 20, for the Pogo Islands. And that's what I believe in. The pedophiles and rapists deserve the worst suffering humanly possible. And I think anybody that abuses any person, abuses an animal, deserves the worst kind of suffering humanly possible. I believe in karma, and I believe in what goes around comes around. And I believe in justice for victims and for animals. And if you mistreat them, you deserve the worst suffering humanly possible. Because that is justice. It's not revenge, it's justice. And I believe in justice for them. And with that, yes, that about wraps it up for now, but thank you to everybody who stopped by and listened to this. Hope you all enjoyed. Leave a comment, hit that bell notification, leave a like and all that. Stay tuned for more, including my stream tomorrow at 6 p.m., an hour of worldly reports and other stuff in the works. Look out for it. This is Zach the Celtics guy saying thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one, including my stream on Thursday. Look out for it. Well, Thursday being tomorrow, but I will see you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. on my YouTube live stream / Discord stream. The Discord will be open. We'll be having my amazing fans on there. We'll be talking with Adam. We'll be talking with whoever is able to stop by, Joey, Fingiorno, Nicholas, anybody else who's able to stop by. Definitely stop by. You're always welcome. Love you guys. Thank you for always being here. I appreciate it. And I'll see you all next time, and I'll see you all in the next one. That about wraps it up for now, and I'll see you all next time, including my stream tomorrow and more stuff on the way. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now. Peace out. Have a good day. Stay safe. Be well. Stay classy, and keep fighting, and keep on rocking. And justice for these victims, and fuck these monsters. And keep fighting. Peace out.